come down into the cellar to draw the bloodline, as I'm doing now. And the mallet was to fall on his head and kill him. What are dreadful? Take it off. B, N. What letter N? N. N.
Asan na ba?
N. She put down. She put down the
Wait lang, wait lang, wait lang. Asa ba?
Ano tayong gitudlo? Tayong gitudlo. Katong N ba? N. Dili pa sa tawag to. Kana. Ara nami.
And she put down
She put down the handle
handle
and the jug and sat herself down and drawing the bride. And her mother
Unsa to?
began crying. Did I paspas kayo siya?
Gay.
Began crying when they began to wander upstairs. How it was that she was slow, drawing the bread, and her mother went down to see her.
Okay. So, asa may answer na ni?
Wala, number 1 pa.
Number 1.
So, muna sa mga number 1.